Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through how to disable OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. Let's start with the easiest way to stop OneDrive from starting automatically when you log in. Go to the Start menu at the bottom of your screen. Search for OneDrive. If you see it, click on OneDrive to open the app. Right-click the OneDrive icon. Then click on Settings. Now, the OneDrive Settings window will open. In the OneDrive Settings window, click on the Account tab. Here, you will see an option that says, Unlink this PC. Click on that. A new window will pop up asking you to confirm. Click Unlink Account. This will disconnect OneDrive from your Microsoft account. It won't delete your files, but OneDrive will stop syncing them. Now, OneDrive is no longer connected and will not sync your files anymore. If you want to go one step further and remove OneDrive completely from your computer, you can uninstall it. To do that, open the Start menu and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on the result that comes up. Scroll through the list of installed apps. Look for Microsoft OneDrive. Click on it, then click Uninstall. Confirm if asked. This will remove OneDrive from your computer completely. Keep in mind that if you uninstall OneDrive, your files that were saved in OneDrive will still be available online if you go to onedrive.live.com and log into your Microsoft account. And that's it. You have now disabled OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching.